This is lesson 7 in algebraic techniques, stage 5.2. So today we're looking at expanding binomial products using a variety of strategies. And you know you're making progress when you can expand binomial products by removing grouping symbols. The revision questions are here, so we need this work for today's lesson. So the distributive law, A times B and A times C. Each of the numbers inside the brackets gets multiplied by the number outside. So minus 2x and minus 2 times positive 8 gives us minus 2x minus 16. So 8 times minus 2 is minus 16. The next one, minus 3 times x, and minus 3 times gives us minus 3x plus 12. So remember, when we multiply minus 3 by minus 4, we get positive 12. X times 4x and x times 5 gives us 4x squared plus 5x. X times x and x times 2 plus, remember, separate the two brackets, 3 times x and 3 times 2 gives us x squared plus 5x plus 6. Which leads us into today's work. So example A, so this one first. So we've got x plus 3 times x plus 2. So the x plus 2 gets multiplied by x and by plus 3, which comes from this part. And then it's like the previous example. X times x, x times 2, 3 times x, and 3 times 2. So the green part gets times by x and by plus 3. So we get x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. And then we simplify this part. 2x and 3x, 2 lots of x and 3 lots of mnemonic foil to remember this. So this means the first two things are x and x. The outside things, which are the x and the 2. Inside is the 3 and the x. And the last is 3 times 2, which is 6. So for this one, we'd go first is x and x. Outside is x and 3. Inside and last. So if you do it this way, you eliminate this line of working. Otherwise you can multiply the x by 3 by x and by 8, like I have in this working. So x times 3 gets multiplied by x and by 8. We simplify this part to give 11x. You can also think about it this way. So the area of a rectangle. So this part is x squared, x times x. This part is 8 times x. This bit is 3 times x, and this part is 3 times 8. So there's a few different ways that you can solve this problem, these kind of problems. So here are the questions. You can pause the video and try them, and then watch for the answers. So first of all, this one. So I like the color system, so you might like to do that. So these parts in the same color. And then break up this bracket to give you x and the plus 1. Expand the brackets. Collect like terms. And that's the final answer. Next one. Collect the like terms. And that's our final answer. So with this one, be careful with the negatives. This is like minus 3 lots of a number plus 5 lots of a number. So it's the same as 5 take away 3, which is 2x. And 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. The next one, we've got negatives for both here. So this negative goes there. And we've got x minus 3 and x minus 3. When we expand the brackets, x times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 3 is positive 6. Collect the like terms. Minus 3 minus 2 lots of x is minus 5 lots of x.